First, the solar glass plant. This is Latin America's first dedicated antimony-free solar glass manufacturing facility, planned for Bahia, Brazil. Let's be clear about the scale. 1,000 tons per day of solar glass, 365,000 tons per year, already covered by offtake agreements priced at $750 per ton of glass sold. This isn't concept work. Homerun has a bankable feasibility study underway, due in just a few months, led by DTEC Engineering in partnership with Sorg, a global leader in high-performance glass furnace technology. Preliminary approval from Brazilian development banks, BNDES and FINEP for project financing, structured and ready to execute once a robust BFS is complete. Possible German export credit backing for concessional financing on the Sorg equipment package, potentially covering the remainder of the CapEx not covered by BNDES. The first real de-risk catalyst, the delivery of the bankable feasibility study. When it lands, project finance becomes real, construction timelines become locked, revenue visibility becomes bankable, real value is validated.